Welcome to the Explainer. So today we're going to tackle a frustration I think we all feel, getting artificial intelligence to actually get what you want. And we're going to lay out a really simple, super powerful framework that can solve it for good.
You've totally been here, right? You've got this perfectly clear idea in your head. You type it out for your AI, and what you get back is, well, it's generic, or it's totally off topic, or just not helpful. And it's just so frustrating, a total waste of time.
But what if the problem isn't really the AI at all? The source material we're digging into today makes a really strong case that the secret to getting better, more strategic, and genuinely useful results, it all comes down to how we ask. It's all about the prompt.
And to do that, there's a brilliant framework called the RUTA Method, R-U-T-A. And that name is just perfect because ruta literally means route or path in Spanish. So think of this as your personal map to getting exactly what you need from any AI you're working with.
So this is it, the whole framework. Just 4 simple steps that'll take a vague idea and turn it into a super precise instruction. This is what's going to take your AI from being this, confusing black box to a legit, valuable member of your team. Let's break down each step.
Okay, first up, R is for role, which is just role. So before you even think about the task, you tell the AI who it needs to be. You're giving it a professional identity, which completely frames how it's going to respond.
And just look at the difference here. It's night and day. The first prompt, write about sustainable fashion, yeah, that's just a shot in the dark. But the second one, now you're not just talking to a machine, you're briefing a specialist. That one little change focuses the AI's knowledge and its tone instantly. All right, next up, we've got U for USO. That means use or context. This is where you explain the why behind what you're asking. You tell it who it's for. Giving the AI this background is absolutely critical if you want a strategic response, not just a bunch of facts. So, by running through these 5 simple questions, you're building out that all-important context. You're not just giving an order, you're handing over a strategic brief. Once the AI knows the purpose, the audience, and the message, it has the direction it needs to actually help you succeed.
All right, on to step 3, T for Taria, or task. This is the part you're probably already doing. But the key here is to be so clear, so specific, that you leave zero room for misinterpretation. It has to be a clear, actionable command. The whole point here is to kill any ambiguity. Don't just say, write about sales. Instead, tell the AI exactly what you want it to produce. Something like, give me 5 ideas for a blog post. Or draft a 60-second script for a video. Or suggest 3 Instagram posts. And make sure each one has a call to action. You see? The more specific, the better.
And now for the final step, A for acceleration, or clarification. And honestly, this might be the one that saves you the most time and headaches. It's so simple. You just ask the AI to confirm it understands before it gets to work.
I mean, you do this with a person on your team, right? Hey, does that make sense before you start? It's the exact same idea. This little sentence is your safety net. It dramatically cuts down the risk of getting a totally useless answer and saves you from all that frustrating back and forth. Okay, so that's the theory. Now for the fun part. Let's actually put it all together and see how these 4 pieces build the perfect prompt using that same example from our source material. So let's build this out right now. First, we drop in the role. You're a social media strategist, and your specialty is sustainability. Done. Then we add the use, the context. This whole thing is for a campaign, and we're talking to young people who care about eco-fashion. Got it?
Next up, the specific task. We don't just want ideas. We want 3 creative ideas for Instagram, and they need to come with hashtags and even influencer recommendations. Super specific. And to finish it off, we add that all-important clarification. We give the AI the green light to ask questions if it needs to. And boom, here it is all put together. You see, this isn't a question anymore. This is a professional-level brief. It is precise, it's strategic, and it sets the AI up for success. The odds of you getting something brilliant back on the very first try just went way, way up.
So you can see the RUTA method, it's
really more than just a little trick. It's a fundamental shift in how you should be thinking about working with artificial intelligence. I love how the source material puts this. A good prompt educates. You're not just barking orders at the AI. You're guiding it. You're teaching it about your goals. Your real objective is to build trust with your audience. And that starts with an intelligent, well-informed prompt. And this right here, this is a total game changer for how you see the tech. Stop thinking of AI like some sort of magic 8-ball. Start treating it like a capable member of your team. And what does every great team member need to do their best work? A crystal clear brief. So at the end of the day, getting good at writing prompts, it's not just some neat little skill. It's a massive strategic advantage. In a world drowning in information, knowing how to ask for it the right way, well, that's a true superpower. So look, the RUTA method gives you the map. It gives you the route. And this isn't just about getting faster answers to your questions. It's about unlocking totally new, creative, and strategic ideas with the amazing tools that are already right at your fingertips. So the only question left is, what are you going to build with it?